Instead of working from right to left, you work from left to right. Insert the hook in the last stitch of the previous row under the top 2 loops. Pull the yarn back through the loop. Bring the yarn over the crochet hook from back to front and draw through the 2 loops on the hook. Insert hook in the next stitch of the previous row under top 2 loops. Pull the yarn back through the loop. Draw the yarn through the 2 loops on the hook. Repeat the preceding steps in each stitch across the row.